Once again, I, Kalyan, your presenter of the course, welcome you to another topic of relearning. The order of this topic in SciSolution Foundation course is 7th. I request you to maintain the order to get the actual benefit of learning. Please go through the PDF note that has been shared with you for details. In this topic, we shall be learning about phases of disease, stages of disease, and finally convergence of the idea of disease. To participate in the next batch of SciSolution Foundation course, please WhatsApp to the number flashing on your screen. In every state of the body tries to give you the best possible experience. There are two phases of diseases, acute and chronic. Acute diseases are often called as healing crisis. In most of the cases, fever is accompanied in acute condition. When an acute phase is mismanaged and suppressed repeatedly, it converts into chronic phase. These are the stages of diseases. How disease progresses. The stage 1 is innervation. Stage 2 is toxemia. Stage 3 is irritation. Stage 4 is inflammation. Stage 5 is ulceration. Stage 6 is induration or hardening. Stage 7 is fungation or cancer. Please refer the shared PDF note for details of these stages. Finally, I shall share this converging cone in front of you. It would help you to understand how the popular knowledge of diseases can be converged to a single disease. In the biggest trapezium, which is in the extreme left of this horizontal cone, is the medicinal understanding of diseases. These all identify thousands of diseases and keep on adding names of the diseases in the list by considering every part of the body as independent, unlike the holistic approach of nature cure. In the smaller trapezium, I have placed the herbalism, which is closer to the nature cure but not nature cure completely. It identifies three diseases: innervation, depletion of vitality beyond limit; toxemia, accumulation of toxin beyond limit; and deficiency, as deficiency of some specific element in the body. The last identification of deficiency in naturopathy or herbalism is completely contradictory to the nature's own cues. Nature cure identifies only a single disease, toxemia, which is triggered by innervation but caused by excessive toxin inputs through faulty lifestyle. Hence, as per nature, there is only one disease, toxemia, and only one cure, correction in the lifestyle. Please use the WhatsApp chat for raising your doubts. Thank you for listening.